viewers, my name is Vihanga Sheva from DSK School 6th Standard. Today I am going to show you a simple chemistry experiment using Lysol indicators which will differentiate between acid, base and neutral solutions. As you all know, there are also some another indicators such as pH strip, red litmus, blue litmus, phenolphthalein and methylene orange. But they have also some limitations, like red litmus can only differentiate base from acid and neutral solutions, and blue litmus can only differentiate acid from base and neutral solutions. So now I am going to find some natural indicators which will differentiate three of them: acid, base and neutral solutions. For acid, I have taken acetic acid. For base, I have taken washing soda. And for neutral, I have taken normal tap water. So I have made strips of natural indicators using newspaper like this. And in this experiment, I am also used to grade these natural indicators using three criteria. First criteria, it should change color in acid, base and neutral solutions. Second criteria, the color which it changes should be completely distinguishable. And third criteria, it should be easily available and cheap, which is fulfilled by all of them. If the indicator fulfills all three criteria, it is graded as A. If it fulfills two criteria, it is graded as B. And if it fulfills only one criteria, it is C. Let's start with our experiment. So first is turmeric. Its color is yellow. Now let's try to dip it in acid. There is no change. Then in base. Whoa, it turned red. Now in neutral solution. There is again no change. So it is graded as B. Now our next ingredient is spinach. It is green in color. Now let's try to dip it in acid. No change. Now in base. Again there is no change. Now in neutral solution. Again there is no change. So it is again graded as C. Next natural indicator is purple cabbage. It is violet in color. Now let's try to dip it in acid. Whoa, it changed to baby pink color. Now let's try in base. It changed in green. And in neutral. There is no change and it is graded as A. Next is butterfly pea, also known as gokarna in Marathi. Now let's try to dip it in acid. It turns baby pink. Now in base. It turns green. Now in neutral solution. There is no change. So it is graded as A. Pink hibiscus. Now let's try in acid. It turns baby pink. Now in base. It turns blue. Now in neutral. There is no change. So it is graded as B. Now next is pomegranate. It is pink in color. Now let's try in acid. There is no change. In base. It turned violet. Now in neutral. So it is graded as B. So next is pathimugam, also known as rosewood. Its color is brown orange. Now let's try to dip it in acid. It turned yellow. Now in base. It turned purple. Now in neutral. There is no change. So it is graded as A. For the further scope of this study, you can use many more natural indicators, and also you can change the weakness and strength of acid, weakness and strength of base. Thank you.